There can be many factors, including poor food consumption, that may lead to chronic illness and disease. However, there are foods, superfoods, that can save or change your life. But before we proceed, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel for more great informative videos like this. Now let's get to the top foods to save or change your life. Reishi and Maitake mushrooms, tea, smoothie, fresh, capsule. Mushrooms are a low-caloric adaptogen that naturally regulate the body's major functions. They are a medicinal source of antioxidants, such as selenium, vitamin C and choline that prevents and protects the body from harmful free radicals and help to form red blood cells. These mushrooms are also the only natural plant-based, vegan, non-fortified source of vitamin D. Reishi and Maitake are excellent food for brain, bone, skin health and weight management. Powerful agents including antioxidants, major vitamins and amino acids, in mushrooms fight cancer, Alzheimer's, heart disease, diabetes and much more. According to Hindustan Times, mushrooms don't just taste nice. They also pack a nutritional punch as they are loaded with vitamins, promote a healthy immune system and boost your bone health. That's why they are considered a superfood that can save or change your life. Salmon, baked or pan-seared. The disease-fighting agents in salmon are impressive. This food is filled with natural vitamins and antioxidants significant for turning food into energy, enhancing brain function and the nervous system and repairing DNA. Also, salmon aids in the reduction of disease-causing chronic inflammation. As a great source of potassium, it reduces the risk of strokes due to its ability to manage blood pressure. Nutrients with medicinal value, in salmon, help to greatly enhance arterial function in smokers and those that are overweight. As the best source of omega-3 fatty acids, and with powerful agents such as B vitamins and selenium, salmon reduces heart disease and blood pressure levels. Healthline says, salmon is one of the most nutritious foods on the planet. Not only is this popular fatty fish loaded with nutrients, but it may also even reduce certain risk factors for several different diseases. Beans. In salads, boiled, or fresh. Beans have strong anti-aging properties. The darker the bean, the more it's packed with powerful antioxidants. A low glycemic index rating makes this the perfect superfood for diabetics. Beans, as a superfood, aid in the prevention of blood sugar spikes after meals. Phytonutrients in beans reduce risks of prostate, colon and breast cancers while reducing heart disease as well as menopausal risks. Making this a food that could save or change your life. Beans are great too, because they have little to no cholesterol, sodium and fat. Magnesium, antioxidants, potassium and more super health agents pack the body with power for LDL cholesterol, cancer, type 2 diabetes and other ailments. Beans are useful in lowering blood sugar levels and managing high cholesterol. And because they're loaded with fiber, beans can help induce that full feeling to help with weight loss. As stated in an article by CNN. Goji berries. Tea, fresh or dried. Used in traditional Chinese medicine for ages, goji berries are a powerful source of phytochemicals. These phytochemicals are significant for healthy cell development, eye, bone and skin health. Goji berries also have high levels of antioxidants, vitamins and minerals. Goji berries' nutritional content is beneficial for neutralizing damaging molecules to prevent damage from UV light, free radicals and oxidative stress. They also aid in the production of red blood cells, balancing glucose and insulin levels and increased metabolism and blood antioxidant levels. Goji berries are beyond ordinary, a superfood that give a super boost to the immune system. Fiber, polyphenols, major vitamins and other powerful agents treat and fight cancer, obesity, depression and anxiety while offering so many other benefits. More recently, supporters have introduced goji berries to the rest of the world with claims of many potential health benefits. Modern science is investigating these claims, and researchers have backed many of them. Medical news today. Save or change your life, now, by incorporating any or all of the mentioned foods to your daily health regimen. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed our video, please subscribe, share and comment below. And remember to hit the notification bell so that you'll know when we post more great videos. Take care of yourself and others with love. Good health to all.